Are you planning to buy plants? If yes, please do consider these 5 tips before you do so. Hi, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. So the first tip is always buy plants as per your climate. Make sure you do some research before buying any plant that you've come across online or any groups. Make sure the plant you're buying grows well in your area's weather conditions. Otherwise, it's like wasting your money, time, energy, effort, everything. The second and very important tip is, if you are a beginner in gardening, start with low maintenance plant. Whether it's indoor plant, outdoor plant, anything. Like snake plant, spider plants, these are low maintenance plant. Instead of investing into those plants which needs high maintenance, which are not easy to grow, like monsteras, succulents, adeniums or bonsais. Invest in low cost plants. The third very important and a very clever tip. Always buy plants from local nurseries. This way you'll get cheaper plants, healthier plants as well as bigger in size. Avoid buying plants online until and unless you are looking for some plant which is not easily available on local nurseries. Because online you'll end up paying more money and you'll get smaller size plant which may or may not be a healthy plant. So always choose local nurseries over online nurseries. The fourth point is always choose healthiest plant. Pick up plants on your own. Just don't rely on nursery walas blindly. Go choose plants on your own. Try to pick those plants which is already bearing fruits and flowers. Because what happens if you're looking for a particular color in a flowering plant which comes in many colors, and if the plant is not flowering, it's not easy to recognize the color of that flower that plant will produce in future. So always look for plant which is already bearing flowers. Same goes with fruits. Let's say if you're buying a brinjal plant, brinjal that comes in variety of colors, shapes and sizes. So it's easy to recognize with a fruit, right? Because brinjal comes in green color, they come in purple color. I'm not sure if you're getting the point. In nutshell, if I say always choose a plant, whether it's a flowering plant or a fruit plant or a vegetable plant, choose a plant with flower or vegetable on it. Coming to the last point or the last step, which is always buy plants in spring or monsoon season, which is the growth period of plants. Avoid buying perennial plants in winters, because in winters most of the plants go dormant. And if you're planning to buy any seasonal flowering plant, so buy those seasonal plants by the start of their season. So that's all for this video, guys. If I missed any point, do let me know in the comment section. Thank me later, because if you'll consider these points, you will end up saving lots of money. See you.